You work your whole life, earn your money, pay your taxes, and when you finally retire, surprise, you still owe taxes.
Oh.
But what if I told you not all income is taxed? Seriously. In fact, there are 6 types of income that you can receive during retirement, totally tax-free. And no, this isn't about living off lottery winnings or hiding gold bars in your garden. These are completely legal, IRS-approved income streams. Let's talk about the quiet tax wins most people overlook and how you can set yourself up to keep more of your money, not just make more of it. Health Savings Account, HSA, triple win. Imagine a bank account that lets you deduct the deposit, grow it tax-free, and withdraw the money tax-free too, like a unicorn that pays your hospital bills. That's the HSA. If you have a high-deductible health plan, you can open one. And here's the smart part. Instead of spending the money every time you get a cold, you can invest it. Let it grow like a tiny healthcare hedge fund. Save receipts, pay out of pocket, and down the road, reimburse yourself completely tax-free, even years later. It's like past you sends future you a tax-free medical refund. Qualified dividends and long-term capital gains. Most people think investments is equals to taxes. But if your income is low enough, your qualified dividends and long-term capital gains can be taxed at 0%. Yes, 0. In 2025, if you're married filing jointly and make under $96,700, you could earn all that from qualified investments and pay nada. And with the standard deduction on top, that number climbs above $125,000. So yes, your investments can pay you and the IRS might just let you keep all of it. Municipal bonds, the boring hero. Municipal bonds don't trend on TikTok, but they should. These are loans to your city or state, and they reward you with interest that's federal tax-free. Sometimes even state tax-free, if you live where they were issued. Now, the returns aren't explosive. You won't buy a yacht, but after taxes, they often beat other options, especially if you're in a high-tax bracket. Warning, some private activity bonds can still trigger taxes, and they can mess with your Social Security taxation if not planned right. So read the fine print, or just avoid getting bond-happy with your whole portfolio. Home sale gains, downsizing without the tax bite. Bought your house for $500K, now it's worth $1 million? Sell it, and as a married couple, you can keep up to $500,000 in profit, tax-free. Renovated your kitchen? Added a pool? Those expenses count too. They boost your home's basis and shrink your capital gains even more. It's like giving your future tax bill a renovation discount. This is one of the rare times the IRS says, keep the change. Roth IRA withdrawals, guilt-free gains. You've been investing after-tax dollars in your Roth IRA. That money grows. It multiplies, it compounds, and after age 59 and a half, it comes out tax-free. Put in $100,000, watch it grow to $1 million. That $9,000 gain, all yours, untaxed. It's like planting a tree with taxed seeds and harvesting tax-free fruit for the rest of your life. Beautiful. Just make sure the account is at least 5 years old, or the IRS might show up with a just kidding letter. Social Security, not always taxed. Yes, Social Security can be taxed, but it doesn't have to be. Roughly half of all recipients pay 0 tax on their Social Security benefits, and the key is your provisional income. Stay under the threshold, and you keep more of your check. No, they didn't make it simple. The formula involves your income, half your Social Security, and a sprinkle of municipal bond voodoo. But with the right tax planning, you can come out on top. Let's be honest, taxes won't magically disappear in retirement, but your strategy can make them nearly invisible. It's not just about earning more, it's about keeping more. So whether it's your HSA growing like a stealth savings weapon, your Roth IRA making you feel like a financial ninja, or selling your house for $500,000 in tax-free equity, there are ways to outsmart the tax code legally, ethically, and cleverly. If this video made you rethink your income streams, do your future self a favor, tap that like button. It helps us grow and lets me know you're serious about smarter money. Comment below with which of these income types you're planning to focus on, or which one surprised you the most. And if you want more tips that make taxes less terrifying and retirement more rewarding, subscribe to Spendium, where money talks and taxes get quietly avoided.